Hi, my name is Antonio, and this is my first time actually traveling to Turkey, getting a hair transplant. When I initially thought about doing this, I looked at a lot of different clinics. And what stuck out to me about Dr. Caymaz was one, him being an actual doctor, physician, being able to work on my head. Secondly, just nothing but great reviews coming out of YouTube, Google, things of that nature, stellar things. I can't tell you how impressed and satisfied I was through the entire process. I got a beard transplant and also a little bit on my temples here, and it's been great. Dr. Caymaz and his team, they have helped throughout the entire process, everything from the transportation from the airport, just the communication between each group and making me feel comfortable and kind of understanding everything that's going on. I really appreciate it. I would definitely highly recommend Dr. Caymaz, his group for hair transplants. If I ever need another one, definitely coming back. So thank you, Dr. Caymaz, and I look forward to seeing all of the great results.